Textify AI is an intriguing generative AI tool that promises to simplify content creation. But before you pull the trigger on purchasing it, there are some key things you need to know. This tool claims to make text generation faster and easier, but how does it really compare to its competition? And is it right for you? Let's dive into 12 points that will help you decide if Textify AI is worth your investment. First, it's important to note that Textify AI focuses on generating content quickly, which is appealing for businesses and content creators. But while other tools, like Jasper or Copy.ai, offer a more polished user experience with additional customization, Textify AI falls short in terms of advanced options. You may find its features a bit basic compared to its more established competitors. Next thing, one major strength of Textify AI is its pricing. Unlike Jasper, which has higher subscription fees, Textify AI offers more affordable options. This makes it a great choice for those starting out or small businesses with tighter budgets. However, for larger companies that need more scalability and advanced features, Textify AI might not be enough. The third thing to keep in mind is the ease of use. Textify AI's interface is user-friendly, but it lacks the level of polish seen in competitors like Writesonic. If you're a beginner, this might be a plus, but if you're experienced and need more robust tools, it could feel limiting. Next thing, while Textify AI offers good AI-driven text generation, it doesn't offer as much variety in templates compared to tools like Copy.ai or WriteR. This might be a deal breaker if you're looking for a diverse set of options for specific niches. The fifth thing to know is that Textify AI doesn't integrate with as many platforms as other tools. Unlike Jasper, which can connect to a wide variety of apps, Textify AI limits its integrations, which could be inconvenient if you need to connect it to your content management systems or other business tools. The sixth thing to consider is the AI's writing quality. Textify AI generates decent content, but it's not always on par with the more advanced models from tools like Grammarly or ProWriting Aid. If you need a tool to refine your content to perfection, this might not be your best choice. Next, Textify AI does allow for some customization, but its flexibility is limited. If you're looking for full control over your content and want to input your own keywords or style preferences, other tools like Jasper or Writesonic might offer more customization options. The eighth thing to consider is the learning curve. Textify AI is relatively easy to pick up, but it lacks the depth of tutorials and resources that other platforms, such as Copy.ai, provide. If you need extensive guidance, you might find it lacking here. Next thing, the support provided by Textify AI is decent, but it doesn't have the 24/7 customer support that some competitors offer. If you need urgent help or assistance, you may face delays in response time compared to tools like Jasper. The 10th thing to note is that Textify AI has a free trial, which is great for getting a feel of the software before committing. However, after the trial, you'll need to sign up for a paid plan, and the ongoing costs may add up over time, especially if you're producing high volumes of content. The 11th thing to consider is its focus on text generation over other forms of content creation, like video scripts or social media posts. If you're looking for a multi-purpose AI tool, Textify AI might not meet all your needs. Finally, Textify AI is a good option for those on a budget or for small-scale content creation, but if you need advanced features, better integrations, or a more polished interface, there are better choices out there. That said, if you're looking for a more robust AI tool that you can try for free, check out our recommended solution. It's an ideal alternative for businesses that need something more scalable and feature-rich.